अपना thought process को great रखो, ठीक है? And what happened is that, see, एक fact समझो, this is a neurological fact. This is not something I am saying on my own. I have read how we thought and how we can become a leader. Take any leader of the world. कोई भी leader आप उठाओ, किसी की भी success story उठाओ. You take any success story, whether it's Mahatma Gandhi, whether it's Martin Luther, whether it's anyone, right? Wright brothers, that, you know, who people, you know, some famous people, right? These people, I used to read. I have seen that one common thing, that is their thought process. And how thought process comes and becomes a personality trait, that's what you people have to learn. Very quickly learn about this. See, when you all bring a thought in your mind, okay, let's just say for few hours, right from the beginning, for few hours, it creates mood. So in the morning, if you woke up, right, after getting awake, you create your mind that today I will perform 200%. I will be at the highest potential phase. You are creating a thought. That thought will motivate you to do certain actions, right? That will create a mood which can last for a day or days. And with these days or days, what will happen? You are going to get, if you can analyze that whether this thought is great for your UPSC journey or if it is not, you have a choice. We cannot let our brain think whatsoever they want us to think, because our external environment is basically influences us to think. If I have going, for example, if I say something wrong to you right now, okay, in harsh word, it's up to you whether you have to decide that you need to take this emotion for a longer period of time, or you need to just rid away quickly. You need to decide first of all, because that mood, if it stays for longer days, if it is good, then it's going to benefit. But if it is bad, that will create temperament. What is temperament? It's just not anger. It's just a long exposed mood. So when you say that I'm angry, I'm feeling lazy, I'm not feeling good, it's nothing. Your mind doesn't know anything. Your brain, your neurons doesn't know anything. There's some network, you know, neurons in our brain that decides your mood. But if you keep thinking and repeating that past events in your head, you are going to create a temperament. So if you feel that any one person in your life, he kept on thinking that he want to achieve something, and he's workaholic. It's how? Because initially personally, I have seen many successful persons, they are workaholic. What these people do, they create a thought that they want to win, they want to work. So that mood stays with them for longer period of days. That becomes their temperament. After this temperament, from days, this temperament moves to months. Then it becomes your personality trait. And personality trait is something people decides that, okay, she's very, aggressive, she's very productive, she's hardworking, she's lazy and all. And that decides your destiny. Your destiny is not something which is being predestined. It is in your actions. So very quickly, I really want all of you to understand this, that UPSC or any journey in your life, you can only win having control over your emotions. And your emotions is nothing but it's just an external environment. Are you all understanding? How many of you understood this? Right? So you people have to work on your personality trait. Have a personality traits of a leaders. Leaders are the one who do not have any other focus. And you need to learn in this exam time management and also evaluation, self-evaluation. Do not rely on any institute or any teachers. Just see yourself what you are doing. I have yesterday also said, make a yearly planner, make a monthly planner, and also weekly planner, and see whether you have progressed or not. Why lakhs of aspirants fill the form, thousands of aspirants goes for the test, and only some can make it? This mood, if you can turn into your personality trait, and you can make your mood into your habit, then you are going to have clear-cut rank 1. I openly say that there are things which you can, have it. And being sociologist and anthropologist, I know that whatsoever you people decides to have in your life, it is very much achievable. I was a failure in my school. I was not really very studious, but I was always critical. I'm just giving you my own points, and thousands of experience, examples I have seen in JNU. Right? So they are not born with good academic qualities and all. But one thing again common in every JNUite, howsoever I have seen, that whatsoever they decide to do, whether it's politics, whether it's academics, whether it's any exam, because you see that every year 60-70 students always crack UPSC. I see one thing, that they're crazy. So this personality trait comes into your mind. That's why you become crazy. I have told you that the reason I started studying for UPSC was a part of my research. I am a hardcore researcher. So I saw that somebody in JNU, in my senior, who was writing a very good work on PhD, but also simultaneously working for UPSC, couldn't go through it, and now he has lost his mind, and he is just a vendor in JNU and lost everything. No, he's just like a mad person. I mean, I should not call him mad, because he could not complete his PhD, could not crack his UPSC. So the great mind, how it can devastate it? It's only because we don't make plans. Planning and time management and strong mindset will decide your journey. Okay?